Namaste, I'm Shilpa Mehta. This is Shravan month. The other pronunciation of Shravan is Shravan, listening. Listening not to just anything, but that which is full of Sat, that is Satsang. Anything that will make the mind more peaceful, quiet, receptive. That means the Sattva within us can rise more by listening to this. Satsang means being in the company of different yogis or even being in the company of a spiritual place. So, visiting temples, listening to our scriptures, etc. Or being in the company of good people, those who are positive in nature, those who are helpful, those who are kind. That reminds me of Namo Namo He Shankara, Adinath Shankara. So it was not just Adinath, he is also Adi Yogi. Now why so? Because of his ability to literally be so virtuous, full of vairagya, that is detachment, that he is the ultimate yogi. Most of us are aware about the story of Amrit Manthan, where Asurs and Devs both were fighting at loggerheads for the nectar of life. But before getting the nectar of life, as we all know, before getting anything that we really desire or that is really good for us, we also have to struggle for it. So the same struggle even the gods and the Asurs had to go through. So while they were churning the sea, the ocean, even poison came out. Now that was so poisonous that it can be unimaginable for us, that if anybody or any creature had it, would be dangerous. So Bhagwan Shiv was the only one who was ready. That is why we say Namo Namo Shankara. So he took the poison, but only till his neck area. That is why he is also known as Neelakant, because we all know that poison can make you go blue and black. So Neel means that only in Hindi or in Sanskrit. So Neelkant. Now what is the beauty of it? The beauty is that he took the poison but did not swallow it. We all go through so many poisonous remarks, so many problems, so many sometimes taunts by others, and we feel so sad. We are most of the time in grief, or we are dual-minded, whether this is good or that is good. But here, this is a clear-cut indication that whatever problems we have in life, we are not supposed to take them neck deep. We are not supposed to swallow them and let us get affected by it. We should learn to control our mind, and that is the whole aim of yoga, and that is the whole aim of Shravan. We are doing so many rituals. We are doing so many other things. We keep fast, we go to temple, etc. But that Sat has to increase, and for that, the tamas, that is the darkness, the Neel, cannot be swallowed. Otherwise, the whole body will go black. That means your whole mind becomes tamasic. So this month, let's bring the light in our life by increasing more of Sattva within us. अमृत सभी में बांट के विष का प्याला खुद शिव जी ने पिया. So let us learn that great lesson and try and imbibe it in our lives. Har Har Mahadev.